Ladies and gentlemen, a very special moment at the 2019 Festival of Speed coming up very shortly. Underneath this black drape, we have the new racer from Porsche, the 911 RSR. And to tell us a little bit about it, this is Mr. 911 himself, Jörg Bergmeister. Jörg, this is a very special car we're about to unveil, but just tell me a little bit about the 911, because you've raced 5 generations. What makes this car and model so special?
I mean, already the previous car, the current RSR, has been a great car. We had a lot of success with this in WEC and also in IMSA. Won all the championships. So hopefully, and I'm sure it is, it's going to be better in all areas. More downforce, bit more power, a bit more torque. So I think it will be setting the benchmark again.
Now, I think you're being modest, Jörg, because this is obviously a step forward. How much have you and the other drivers been involved in the development of this car?
I mean, it's like always with Porsche, the drivers are involved from in the development from the beginning on, giving as much input as we can. Probably some people would say we are paid for complaining, but that's about racing, and that's what we have to do to make the cars better together with the engineers.
Okay, now look, Gianmaria Bruni is going to be driving the car up the hill in just a moment, but you're going to be driving it tomorrow. Just your thoughts on the Festival of Speed?
It's amazing. It's the first time for me here. When I came this morning, I was completely baffled. It's such a cool event, and I can't wait to go up the hill tomorrow.
Okay, you can't wait to go up the hill. We can't wait to see the new RSR. Shall we have a look at it now?
Let's do it.
Come on, let's rip these covers off. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That is the Porsche 911 RSR for the new racing season, with Gianmaria Bruni behind the wheel, who is going to be going up the hill very shortly.
The world premiere of the all-new Porsche 911 RSR here at Goodwood. It is a completely new car. 95% of the parts are brand new, over and above the car that won its class at the Le Mans 24 Hours in 2018 when it was liveried in the pink pig colour scheme. The only thing that has been carried over, the headlights, the brakes, the clutch, some suspension parts, and the driver's seat. Weissach developed by the Porsche GT engineers, led by Pascal Zurlinden and the Porsche Motorsport boss, Fritz Enzinger. They've been working hard on the car already, because here we are in the beginning of July, but they started work on this car back in 2017. Even in March this year, 2019, they did a 30-hour test at Paul Ricard, and with all of the teams involved with Porsche and all of the drivers, they, even in March, covered 6,000 kilometers. This is Porsche's GTE car that is going to take them forward in the next World Endurance Championship. Porsche, the reigning manufacturers, champions, and also the reigning drivers title holders. And I think Jörg Bergmeister is being very, very modest about his driving skill. Of course, he won the GTE AM category at Le Mans only a couple of weeks ago, when he was in the car with Patrick Lindsay and Egidio Perfetti. So a new colour scheme for the 911 as well, still keeping the reds and whites and grey hues to it, but it's still got the flat 6 engine in the back of it. 4.2 litres in capacity, the largest engine that any 911 X-Works car has been fitted with. It's got better drivability, it's got a wider rev range, it's going to be a little bit easier for the drivers to do the 24-hour races. It's got 2 exhausts that exit in front of the rear wheels to save weight. Then they can get a bigger and better diffuser in towards the rear of the car. It's going to help stability and it's going to help tyre life. That is a world debut here at Goodwood, the brand new Porsche 911 RSR.